Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here and I'm so excited to share you what I made these 2 days. I think I made it for 2 days and I found the idea on Pinterest and I really love it. I mean, part of it I found on Pinterest and some of it I couldn't figure out how to do it in the beginning, but I found a way, so I want to share with you. So before that, I want to ask you to subscribe my channel so it will motivate me to make more videos like this, tutorial, or show you what I made, maybe to inspire you to do something different. Making 3D perlers takes a lot of patience and time, but if you get into it and you stick with it and focus, you're gonna have a lot of amazing things. You can see things behind me, look at that. So I'm so happy every time I look at them, and I want the same for you as well. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you will get a notification of all my new video, and also support my channel to grow a little bit more. All right, so let's get into it. Go. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. This is the rabbit from Alice the Wonderland. So look at how cute it is, right? And then also this is the one I found on Pinterest. Let's come to this first. So this is the frame. When I found the picture, I was trying to do it with the Perler beads, the mini ones, but it was taking a lot of space and it was taking a lot of time. So halfway I was like, you know what, I'm gonna use something else, and I was able to build this and I really love it. So you can see actually it's all these pieces I use mini beads to build, and it takes a lot of time because mini beads are already hard to handle because they're so tiny. And then also I inserted different colors, and then also like a little extra layer to glue onto it, so it gives a little bit more like, you know, 3D or 2-3, you know, effects. But this one I didn't do it, so this is only like, you know, 2D. And then this one I don't have a mini bead circle plate, so I had to use the regular size 5mm bead, but I really like it though. It gives a little different vibe, but it still looked pretty good. And then like the little thing I was able to stick on the side, I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So this is what I made, I'm gonna show you today. And then these two, they come together perfectly, you can see that. All right, let's get into it. I'm gonna show you how to make the flame. Okay, all right, let's get into it. I'm gonna excuse you for a little bit, Mr. Rabbit. Okay, so this one, I basically got these ones from Dollar Tree, and then just $1 a pack, and it has a lot, and I'm just taking 12 for this project. Okay, so here I got the pack. So this is the one that I got from Dollar Tree. It's $1. So it looks like those popsicle stick, but they call it the craft sticks. Okay, so this is what I have to use for this project. And then also I have the hot glue gun. And then also I have these stickers. I also got them from Dollar Tree, so it's very easy to use. And I'm gonna show you later how we're gonna use them. So first, we're gonna form like using these to form. Okay, so we're gonna put 2 on here, and then we're gonna place it 2 on top. So it's gonna look like a square. Okay, a square. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some glue on one end and the other end, kind of line them up so they're gonna look nice later. So just glue on each side. Maybe you want to pick like the side that is more flat. I think I picked the side that is more arching, and then do it on the other side. Glue on the other end, and then quickly put this one on top. Okay, so now we got a square, and then we're gonna repeat but of course you're not gonna just put on here, right? You're gonna do this when you do the top. So let's keep going. Actually, I think that's good already. Yeah. For the one I made, I actually just used 3 layers. Yes, I just had 3 layers. So it's gonna look like this. And then what I'm gonna do is, earlier I have these stickers that I show you. So I like to use the black one because this color black one is gonna look more obvious on it. So all you have to do is to cut out the sticker that you want. Maybe like this one, I want to do a clown. So I'm gonna cut it out. I'm gonna show you. Maybe they're $3. I don't know. So all you have to do is just to peel off the plastic part. Okay, and then go to your desired layer. Okay, we're gonna use this one. I'm gonna place it to the middle. So now it looks like I have a sticker on it. So you can see the little glue, but you can just easily peel them off. So after you put it on, you're gonna scratch it. And then you're gonna notice the darkness is gonna fade. So that means that it goes to the wood. So I'm gonna scratch. It's gonna turn in gray. You might not be able to tell, but okay, so let's take out the plastic part. So now it's on here. You see that? And then I'm gonna add the next I'm gonna add some flour. Because this one I did the same thing on each side. You can see that. So I'm gonna do that for this one as well. So I'm gonna pick something similar. Okay, how nice, right? It looks like a little drawing, little something different, unique that you like. You can even put words on it. Because look at the sticker. Has bunch of letters and then bunch of flowers. You can make it very creative. And it, like, they have different style. Like this one is all gold. And then this one has like some positive writing words, inspiring friends and all that. So it's really good for a really good deal for $1. So now we have this, and I'm gonna show you. If I can find the link of the patent, I'm gonna put it in the description, but I forgot. So right now these are not permanent glue on it because you know, I want to play around with it, so I can easily take it off. Okay, so you can see right now I'm just using these little tape thing. So I also got these from Dollar Tree. Oh, did I use them all? Anyways, so they're just like little thing to peel off like this. So you just put it on and peel it off like that. And then so just easily place it on there to see how it looks first. And then if you want it to be permanent this way, then you can use hot glue and glue the perler onto this frame. And then these one, I didn't take it off. I feel it's really cute to move them around, so I can easily take it out because we have gaps on the side, you can see. So I can just easily put it in between. Ta-da! So feel free to decorate it yourself and make it like something different. Maybe you can make other perlers that you really like. These I use mini bead and they look fine, but this one I use regular bead and they look like same size too. So decorate the way you want and make it cute. And I hope you really like this because I do, and I hope you really like it. So sometimes I feel like, you know, adding a little extra layer and pieces on the top, making it like more like dynamic, and you know, it looks really, really cute. So it can become a gift or it becomes something, you know, for yourself. It takes a lot of time, but you know, it's so much fun to put them together, and I really, really enjoy it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and give me a like and make sure you're subscribed. So I have more perlers I made, and I am planning to do the video to show you all of them very soon. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you will get alert when the video comes. All right, have a good day. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.